I'm going to be doing problem 33 from 7.5. The problem reads, during the 2008 to 2009 school year, the average ratio of teachers to students in public elementary and secondary schools was approximately 1 to 5. If a public school had 846 students, how many teachers would be at the school if the ratio is valid for that school? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. First, in this problem, you have to set up a variable. So the first variable, what we're trying to figure out is how many teachers would be at the school if the ratio is valid for that school. So the first, what we're trying to find would be x, and that is the amount of teachers at that school. Okay. The first ratio that we have is 1 to 5, and that's teachers to students. So you'd set that up like that. And that also equals, so this number is teachers, and this number is students. So what we do is on this side, we set up the same ratio. So x is for the amount of teachers at the school, so that goes on top, and then on the bottom is the amount of students, which we were given the number of 846. Well, with two fractions set to equal to each other, you can cross multiply. So what you get is 15 times x, so you get 15x equals 846 times 1, which is 846. When you divide that on a calculator, you would get x equals 56.4. And then we are supposed to round that to the nearest whole number, and so then you get x equals 56. So that means that there will be 56 teachers in that year at that school if there are 846 students.